Question number 45. Car A and car B are moving in the same direction. Car moves at a rate of 60 km per hour while car B moves at the rate of 72 km per hour. How far is the car B from a car A after 4 hours? Take note that the distance A is equal to speed A times time. So, kunin muna natin. So, distance is equal to 60 km per hour times 4 hours. We have 240 kilometers yung kanyang distance. Then, sa car B, speed B times time equals 72 km per hour times 4 hours. We have 288 km per hour. So, that's the distance B. Then, we are going to look for the difference. So, distance B minus distance A. That gives you difference of 288 km minus 240 kilometers, and that is equal to 48 kilometers. Yan na yung tamang sagot natin. Follow Math Talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.